Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with a Halloween look today, okay? I'm super geeked because I love the way this look came out. I just have to give a quick shout out to my inspo, who is Juliana, I think is her name, spelled with a G, on Instagram. Love her looks, and her skull really gave me inspo. So after doing my brows, I took my eyeshadow base, my P. Louise base in the shade number 5, which is my perfect skin tone, and the black Bata base. I'm just pressing those into my eyelid before we apply eyeshadow or pigment or anything like that. So first I took my skin toned base, pressed that into the lid, and then I took the black Bata base and I created a messy type of winged shape, like a cut crease. What is that called? The winged cut crease, yeah, that type of shape. It doesn't have to be super neat because this part isn't the part that's like gonna be prominent in the look anyways, but it doesn't have to be very neat because we're gonna add stuff on top anyway. So I do want you to take your time, but just know it doesn't have to be the neatest line ever in life. You're gonna watch me finesse this. So I just added some black eyeshadow on top, and you just want to press that in. Before I added this is the Jumbo NYX eyeliner pencil. You can get it from Ulta. It's super cheap and it's super good for neon pigments. Oh my god, love this for pigments. It like sticks perfectly. So if you do have like a pigment stack or anything like that, definitely use the white Jumbo pencil. Those pigments are both from MyoMakeup on Instagram, my faves. Use code BeatsByDeb if you decide to pick these neon pigments up, because do y'all see this? Oh my god, this pigment. It is unmatched. I don't care what anyone says. I'm just pressing that in a line, basically all the way around the shape of the winged liner, and I'm going in a rainbow. I just did Roy G. Biv, y'all. You know, I just set it up in a line and just basically press those into where that white was. And like I said, it doesn't have to be neat right now because as you can see, I'm blending away the the pigment that doesn't need to be there. Using that same brush that had the black eyeshadow on it, you just want to incorporate that black on your lid, dust away anything that doesn't need to be there, and basically make the neon pigment merge into the black. Then I went in with really small detail brushes, and you just want to blend all those neon pigments together. You don't want it to be like super blotchy like that, where it's you can see exactly where you put the shadows at. You just want it to look like a rainbow fused line, basically. So take your time with this part, and definitely take your time when adding the white on top. The white line is essential, I'm telling y'all now. These are the Suava Beauty liners. So this is the white one. It's basically all you got to do is use a little water and it becomes the perfect liner. The white is definitely a must because it makes it look neon. And then I just cleaned up the entire eye with a little bit of concealer and popped on my lashes. BeatsByDeb lashes coming soon, period. Go on my Instagram right now if you're watching this and go on the mini tutorial and say BeatsByDeb lashes coming January 1st, 2020, period. Y'all were the first to hear it. That's a little sneak peek for you. So I'm just doing my face makeup as usual. I'm not really touching the bottom portion of my face because I know I don't really need much product there. It's going to be covered up anyway, but you do kind of want a little bit of foundation and stuff down there, because honestly the neon pigments stick better to the foundation than if I didn't have any product on my face. So definitely put something down there, but you don't have to use as much. And everything I use will be in the description below. As you know, my faves, Juvia's Place, I'm using all their complexion products for this part of the look, so definitely check that out. Now moving on to actually sculpting the skull. Y'all, when I tell y'all I had to cut so much of my footage of me just staring back and forth between the one Juliana did and the one I'm trying to do here, like I was really trying to get the shape she got. I did not copy her to the T, but I definitely wanted the shape of the skull to match because it looked really cool. Obviously it's not gonna look the same. I don't have the skill she has, so I definitely tried my best, but don't get it discouraged when trying crazy looks like this. You will see your growth, I guarantee you. Try to push yourself, okay? I'm encouraging you, whoever is watching, try to push yourself to do the crazy, okay? Because I felt like giving up, but guess what, we stuck through and the look turned out really, really cool. So definitely take your time with this part. I used what did I use for this part? I think I used, oh yeah, I did. I used the lip palette from Anastasia. I used the black in that, so this was just for the outline of it. And then I popped on my neon colors again, Roy G Biv, and then I kind of just placed what colors I wanted for the cheek part. You can really just do what you want for this part, pretty much. You want to kind of blend them into the skin though, and make sure they're not like really, it's not too much pigment, because you don't want it like crumbling and falling everywhere. So kind of blend it into the skin. That's why I said like the foundation is essential a little bit, at least, to have on this part of your face, because it stuck a lot better with my foundation on. So the teeth was really hard for me. Like, oh my god, I don't know how she did that so perfect, but I was like, okay, let me get like a really small brush and like really work with this. And I put on top of that lip, that black lip color, I put some black paint. It's like the paint that activates with water. You can get it from what, like Joann's Fabric, Michael's, like anywhere that pretty much sells paint and paint supplies and stuff. I think maybe even Party City might have it. But yeah, you just activate it with a little bit of water and it dries down matte, which I liked as well. So it was about $3. It was worth the buy if you're really doing them crazier looks, you know, once in a while. So definitely invest in that if you do this crazier type of makeup. So yeah, I'm just going over that black with this, and I outlined my teeth as well with this paint and the lipstick, because the lipstick blended better than the paint, I will give you that. So the lipstick blended better with the paint, but the white on top, like I said, is essential, y'all. Get you some white liner that doesn't crack too, because the NYX ones, they crack. I don't know what that's about, but Jesus Christ, like I was like, I need a better liner. Like, I'm sorry, I love NYX products, but good God, like, no. So this Suave Beauty one is thebomb.com, and all you need is a little bit of water. And if you think about it, it's a lot of product in that little thing. So essentially you only need some water with it. So definitely check those out. I got mine from the Morphe store. Changed my life, like, love it. And they have neon colors as well, so definitely check that out. For the nose, I just added a little bit of pigment in the shape of a skull nose, and then added my skull black part in the middle. And then I went back to my nose though and added like some other stuff towards the end. And you definitely want to outline your teeth with white, so they pop just like you want the rest of your face to pop, okay? I added this little part at the top because I was like, okay, my face is looking real bare, like all I got is the bottom part, like what? So I added a little bit of bones at the near my lace, y'all. I was not about to put no black up there because that's what she did, but sis, no, I got this lace in, and that's not how that goes. Not with me. No, I'm not taking this wig off yet, okay? So that's just not gonna go. So I just added those little pink parts and then the blue under the eye, because I was like, okay, that's gonna make the look pop a little bit more, which it did. And then I added the best highlighter. I was like, oh my god, this is like bomb. Come on, Juvia's, come on, period. And then I went back to my teeth and just detailed it a little bit more with some black, just to pop the teeth a little bit. You want the teeth to be super neat, but y'all, okay, I'm like, this is so hard to do, but look how cool it looks though. It turned out really good in my opinion. I know, I mean, I feel like I could have did better, but don't we all feel like that, y'all? This junk is hard. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm just the greatest of all time at these looks, but it does push you to do better. So I know I'm gonna be trying neon skulls probably every year from now until the end of time, so we'll see how they progress as the years go on. But this one is definitely better than my first and second try at neon skulls, so I'm really proud of this look. It did take a little bit over 2 hours, just to give y'all a little timeline. It did take a little over 2 hours, but it was definitely worth it, and really fun and cool. And definitely watch to the end to see the black light footage, which is really cool. Like if you ever went to Zap Zone, then you know what's up. Everything like turns super dope looking pretty much. So definitely check that footage out, and go check my mini tutorial out on Instagram. Drop that those secret words I told you earlier. Go back through the video if you skipped. Go drop that under my tutorial, because not everybody's gonna know what's up. Y'all the real ones, okay? Period. Love y'all so much. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the look. Hope you all can maybe get some inspiration from this. And like I said, yes, it was difficult, but you gotta push yourself, because me doing this crazy stuff really helped me learn even more about makeup, more about my face structure, more about my skin, all of that. So definitely push yourself, okay? And I just want to encourage y'all today. We got this, y'all. We all trying to eat. We all trying to get better. We all trying to get our pages out there, promote ourselves, and you just got to stick with it, okay? Consistency is key, and that's why I'm trying to drop more and more on YouTube for y'all. I love you all so much, and thank you for watching.